in the natural world. There is a special species of seabird that attracts our attention because of its delicate appearance and flexible way of living on the beach, that is the seagull, or often simply called seagull. Behind its pure white wings, seagull contains interesting secrets and magical stories about the life hidden behind the ocean. Waves, join us to discover interesting things about this seabird, from its hunting habits to the secrets of nest building. You would never imagine that these seagulls have unique and record-breaking characteristics that we are about to dive into right now. Start this journey of discovery with us. Seagulls are a family of seabirds common around the world. They belong to the Laridae family, and there are more than 50 different species. Seagulls are typically medium to large in size, have yellow or red beaks and legs, and common plumage is mostly white and gray. They live mainly near coastal areas, but there are also species that inhabit lakes, rivers, and urban areas. The seagull not only plays an important role in the ecology of marine systems, but has also become a symbol of coasts and coastal areas around the world. The seagull's ability to move quickly is an excellent feature, with the ability to fly up to 55 miles per hour, about 88 kilometers per hour. This is a result of the optimized wing and muscle structure, which generates power and acceleration. High flight speeds help them quickly reach prey areas, especially in the vast sea, increasing their ability to hunt successfully. The ability to move quickly is also a defense strategy, helping seagulls avoid threats from the ground and gain an advantage in the hunting race with other opponents. The seagull's excellent vision is the result of the special structure of its eyes, developed through evolution. Their eyes, which are spherical and large, help increase the ability to focus light and improve vision. The ability to see far in the vast sea is important for them to recognize prey from a distance and search for schools of fish or moving bait on the water surface. A light adjustment helps seagulls maintain effective vision in different lighting conditions, from dawn to dusk. Altogether, these are outstanding biological features, demonstrating the sophistication of evolution in developing eye structures suited to their habitat. Seagulls have the ability to hunt diversely and flexibly in their diet, strongly adapting to living environments from the coast to urban areas. Their diet is diverse, not only limited to hunting prey such as fish, worms, and shrimp, but also extends to food from garbage, demonstrating the ability to flexibly switch depending on the living environment, taking advantage of vision and flight ability. Seagulls perform unique flight movements to hunt prey from the water surface, increasing efficiency in catching prey. In the marine environment, they behave in groups, focusing on pushing prey into favorable areas, which is an effective hunting tactic. At the same time, the adaptation of some seagull species to artificial food is a clear manifestation of their unique ability to adapt to urban living environments. The seagull migration is a dramatic phenomenon, as some species fly thousands of miles across the ocean in search of food or breeding grounds. Their patience and adaptability are demonstrated by their flexibility in migratory schedules and in facing challenges from storms to predators. During migration, seagulls maintain energy by taking advantage of food sources along the journey and connecting breeding and hunting areas in different sea areas. Hopefully, this information has helped you gain a deeper understanding of one of the most dynamic and creative seabirds on the planet. Thank you for accompanying us, and see you again in the next explorations.